Hey YouTube, how's it going? I'm hanging out at my grandparents' house right now. I'm watching some QVC at the moment. Well, I don't really know why. I'm probably going to be changing the channel here soon, but I just wanted to say, hey, how's it going? Haven't talked to y'all in a while, and just been hanging around here. Been going to work. I have a new job over at the Walmart Neighborhood Market. I'm pretty excited about that. And I've actually been enjoying it. I got a great job that I've actually been wanting to go with for a long time now. And my mom has been working with them for a long time, and I was really thinking, well, hey, I might as well just keep going with the family tradition. Might as well go with Walmart as well. So, guess where I am now. And I've been living with my grandparents now for a while. I've moved out of my mom's house, and I'm going to be living over here with my grandparents for a little bit until I can get enough money. I'm going to get my own apartment. I'm going to be able to live my own life. And I've been doing pretty good. There's been some struggles that I've been having, but other than that, I actually have been doing pretty good. I'm 18 years old now. I can actually get my mind straight. I'm done with school. I'm done with doing all that other stuff, so I can actually get my mind straight. I can actually focus and think and actually get things done. And it's fantastic, because now that I'm an adult, I actually can think more like an adult than being 17 years old and being like, oh, well, I have to get a job, I have to get a car, I have to finish school, I have to do this, I have to do that. All I have to do is focus right now, just focus on work, getting my own place, and living my own life. And that's better than having to deal with all that stupid teenage stuff. I mean, it's not stupid, but, you know, it builds you up and it freaks you out a little bit sometimes. But now, it's fantastic. And now, I have an amazing girlfriend named Sydney. She's awesome. She is the sweetest girl you can ever meet. Literally the sweetest girl you can ever meet. And I couldn't ask for anyone else to be there for me but her. She has been there for me with everything that I've been going through, everything that I will be going through. And she is the nicest girl in the world, and I'm glad to have her in my life, and I'm glad to be spending my life with her now. And it's just, everything has been going a lot better for me, and I've been having better days. I've been keeping myself motivated at work. Yeah, the going may get tough, but it doesn't mean that you need to just end everything and just be like, oh, well, I don't want to go do this, I don't want to go do that, or anything like that. Just keep going, be happy, and just be yourself. That's all I can think of to say. I'm going to try and start making some more YouTube videos. It's been a year, like a year, since I've made a YouTube video. A year. So, I don't need to. I mean, I want to. I want to make some YouTube videos. If you guys like my videos, then, I mean, I'll be making some more. But I'm going to try and edit them some more. Because, I mean, all my other videos, they're plain. They are boring. I'll admit, they are boring. But I'm going to try to do some editing. And, as you can see, I'm going to try and get on the computer. And I'm going to do some editing. I'm not, like, perfect with editing on a computer. But I'm going to go ahead and give it a try. That way I can get some better videos. You guys can enjoy YouTube a little bit more. Maybe I can get some more views or whatever. But either way, I just want to say hey, say that you guys are awesome, thanks for letting me talk and everything else, and just have a great day. That's all I could say. Have a great day.